Hey, thank you later. This is a unknown hugger with nice stencil blades that won't work on high for some reason. See what I mean? Wait a minute. No, I stalled out. Now I'm going the other way. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be a capacitor. If y'all know what's wrong with this thing, a pretty nice stencil blade. It's an unknown hugger, and yeah. One of my favorite huggers because I used to have one like this when I was younger. So yeah, and this fan means a lot to me. And yeah, they're a nice stencil blade as you can see there. So yeah, it even works on low too. There's low and there's off. Alright, so you think like this later. I hope you find out what's wrong with this fan. Please let me know what's wrong with it, okay? Bye.